This is a 2006 Lincoln Mark LT. It features a 5.4-liter, 8-cylinder engine, a 4-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, heated front seats, an audiophile stereo system, big 18-inch wheels, and much more. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a CD player, leather seats, front fog lights, privacy glass, dusk sensing headlights, front and rear reading lights, and this vehicle has fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Beach Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1600 North Main Street in Suffolk.